happening?
Oh, there's a lion, the king of the jungle. You have to run.
Roar! Wait a minute, something's wrong. Yeah, something is wrong. Oh, hey there. Please don't run. It's just me, Manny the lion. Don't be afraid. I won't hurt you. I can't even roar like a real lion. What happened to you, Manny? Oh no, this cannot be. I used to roar, now look at me. Roar! Oh, where can it be? I've lost my roar. I've lost my roar. We must explore and find my roar. Listen all around, it's a very big sound. Please listen for my roar. Okay, guys, we have to be very quiet to listen out for his roar. Roar! Roar! My roar came from somewhere to the left. We'll take these 3 steps this way and see if we can find it. 1, 2, 3. Roar! 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 Oh no, I can't hear it anymore. What am I going to do? Oh no, he's lost his roar. He's lost his roar. We must explore and find his roar. He's lost his roar. He's lost his roar. We must explore and find his roar. Listen all around, it's a very big sound. Please listen for his roar. Guys, do you think my roar is closer now? Let's listen. Roar! Roar! Yes, I hear something. Let's take 1 step to the right. 1. Roar! Oh, we found my roar! The sound got trapped inside that cave. Thank you, friends. We found it. You're the best. Roar! I'm having fun exploring all the time. I'm having fun. Oh no, where is Mom? Mommy, where have you gone?
Are you okay, baby panda? You look scared.
Can you help me? I'm lost.
Of course, baby panda. Have you tried looking in the forest shrubs?
Oh, that's a good idea. Thank you. I need to look for Mommy in the shrubs. Where is Mom? Oh no, I can't see Mom. Mommy, where have you gone? What's the matter, baby panda? Are you lost? Yes, I've lost my Mommy. Okay, baby panda. Let's help you find your Mommy. Have you tried looking in the mountains? I need to look. What if she's up there? Where could she be? Oh no, I can't see Mom. Mommy, where have you gone? Hello there. What's the matter? Can you help me? I'm lost. Of course, baby panda. I can see your Mommy. She's over there picking up some bamboo for dinner. Let's go and get her. Thank you for helping me find my Mommy. I was very scared.
Baby panda, I was just around the corner. But if you ever get lost again, you need to stay where you are and ask for help. Mommy was coming back to get you.
Found you! Wait, Zoe, where is your tail? Oh no, I must have lost it while we were playing hide and seek. It keeps happening to me. Let's go find it. Where is my tail? Where is my tail? Where is my tail? Where is my tail? My tail is small, white and fluffy, 'cause I'm a little bunny. Please help me find my tail. If I were my tail, where would I be hiding? If I were my tail, I'd be dancing in the grass over there. Where is my tail? Where is my tail? Where is my tail? Where is my tail? My tail is small, white and fluffy, 'cause I'm a little bunny. Please
I'd be swinging on a branch somewhere looking for honey. Oh, look! There it is! My tail! Oh, I knew we'd find it. Thank you so much for helping me. I'm so lucky to have friends like you.
I'm a banana and I live in a tree. When I awoke today, I couldn't see my yellow peel. Where could it be? Let's ask Apple. She'll help me.
Hello, banana, you'll never guess what. I slept in late and I need to get up. I looked in the mirror and I had a scare. I can't find my apple skin anywhere.
Where is my peel? I need my peel.
Where's my skin? I need my skin.
We need to look. We need to find
The skin for me.
and that peel of mine. Do you remember where we went yesterday? We went to the park. Let's look there. Where is my peel? I need my peel.
Where is my skin? I need my skin.
We need to look. We need to find
The skin for me.
and that peel of mine. I can't see anything left here.
What did we do next?
Well, we went home and we went straight to bed.
Okay, let's go back home.
Where is my peel? I need my peel.
Where's my skin? I need my skin.
We need to look. We need to find
The skin for me.
and that peel of mine. Oh, I remember. I got really hot in the night and took my peel off to cool down. There it is under my bed.
Oh, look, my skin is hanging on the door. It must have got caught when I got up in the night.
What silly fruits we are. We'll have to look closer next time.
In a line, wait outside.
No, I want to come inside.
Children, remember that we have to wait patiently before we come in and always be polite.
The teacher will be disappointed with us if we're naughty. I will wait until you say it's time to come inside again. Achoo!
When you sneeze, cover your mouth.
No, I don't want to cover my mouth.
Gross. Put your hands to your mouth, then you won't sneeze on me again.
When I sneeze, I'll use my arms. I don't want to spread my germs.
Now everyone, we are going to be learning numbers.
Hey, look at my pencil. Do you think it's cool?
Who is talking? That's not polite.
No, I want to talk to my friend.
We can talk later. I want to listen to the teacher.
I'm listening in the class. I won't talk over you again. Yes, the bell has gone. It's time to go. I have learned lots of things today.
Little Jack was all tucked up in bed, ready for a good night's sleep. But he thought he heard a noise coming from under his bed.
What was that noise? It came from under the bed. It's so scary. I'm so scared. I'm not sure it's in my head.
Jack laid still, not making a sound. But then came another rumble from under his bed.
There it was again. I think I saw it wave. It's so scary. I'm so scared. I'll look and I will be brave.
Please don't be scared. I'm here to play.
Ah, but you're a monster.
Doesn't mean we can't play. Do you want to play catch? I think there's a ball over there. Hey, let's throw the ball. You catch and I can throw.
This is fun and I'm not scared. Playing catch is fun, you know.
Wow, this is fun! Can we play again tomorrow night?
Of course. Now it's time for both of us to go to bed.
Hello, Mr. Monster. Can we play catch again?
Hi! What about a different game tonight? What about hide and seek?
Yes, please.
You can go hide now. I'll count and then I'll seek. You're not over here or over there. Oh, look, there you are.
What Jack didn't notice as he started to climb out from his hiding place was that the monster was disappearing because Jack wasn't afraid anymore. He had overcome his fear and could now sleep easy in his bed, knowing that he had been very brave.
Hey! Look at all this dirt. I need to get clean. I'm sorry, Ellie. Well, let's go to the pond and we can have a nice dip while the sun's shining. I can't see Mr. Sun. Oh no! Where is Mr. Sun? Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, don't hide away from me. My friends and I are asking you to please come out so we can swim and play. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Maybe he's hiding behind that big tree. Let's go and see. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, don't hide away from me. My friends and I are asking you to please come out so we can swim and play. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Well, maybe he's hiding behind the mountain. Well, let me climb the tree and see. Can you see him? No, I can't. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, don't hide away from me. My friends and I are asking you to please come out so we can swim and play. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. The clouds are making everything so dark. It feels like they are hiding something. Could it be possible? The clouds are hiding the sun, you guys. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, don't hide away from me. My friends and I are asking you to please come out so we can swim and play. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me.
Baby monkey, are you bored too? Let's do something fun. How about the funky monkey dance?
What's that?
Monkey see, monkey do. Can you do what I can do? Oh, oh, ah, ah, oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, ah, ah, oh, oh, oh. Monkey see, monkey do. Can you walk like monkeys do? Walk like a monkey on all fours. Oh, oh, ah, ah, oh, oh, oh. Monkey see, monkey do. Can you laugh like monkeys do? Oh, oh, ah, ah, oh, oh, oh. Oh, find it? Let's see what I've done today and where it could be. This morning I was playing in the trees, kicking and catching all the leaves. I'm looking all around on my hands and knees, but I can't seem to find my honey. Where's my honey? I'm getting hungry. Got this feeling in my tummy and I've lost my honey. I'm so hungry. I've got this feeling in my tummy 'cause I've lost my honey. At noon I was hiding in a bush, trying to keep still and shush, not making a sound down on the ground. But this isn't where I left my honey. Where's my honey? I'm getting hungry. Got this feeling in my tummy and I've lost my honey. I'm so hungry. I've got this feeling in my tummy 'cause I've lost my honey. This is hopeless. I'm never going to find my honey. There's only one more place it could be. Later I was swimming in the lake. There was something in the air that I could taste. It's golden and sweet, a wonderful treat. Look, it's there! I found my honey! Here's my honey. Got my honey. I've got good feelings in my tummy 'cause I've got my honey. So tasty. I've got good feelings in my tummy 'cause I've got my honey. And just in time before I go to sleep for a long time.
Like a million diamonds shining, sparkling through. There's magic in the snow, let me show you.
Mommy, look! The Snow Queen! What a beautiful chariot! How do you do it?
Lovingly I call out, I whisper what to do. The snow always listens and makes it come true. Step into my igloo, the snowman says hello. There's magic in the snow, snowflakes are aglow.
Wow, show us more! Yeah, please show us more!
Welcome to my palace with countless icy lights. Mighty towers so high and 1,000 steps to climb. Dancing in the ballroom on smooth icy floors, wearing snowflake dresses with sparkly icy bows.
Like a million diamonds shining, sparkling through. The snow is really beautiful as you. Hello! Welcome to the sea. You'll find lots of exciting things down here. There are fish, shells, turtles, and... What is that?
Hey, baby shark, I'm a mermaid.
Cool. What do mermaids do?
I am a mermaid, a princess mermaid, and I swim using my beautiful tail. I am a mermaid, a princess mermaid, and I live with my friends under the sea.
Wow, I've never met a princess or a mermaid before.
I've never met a baby shark before either. What can you do?
Well, I am a baby shark, and I play around the sea all day. I'm a baby shark. I've got fins that help me swim on my way.
Oh, it must be so much fun to be a shark.
It must be so much fun to be a mermaid.
But sometimes I wish I could go onto land and see what's up there.
Sometimes I wish I could be big like my mommy and daddy. I'd be a grown-up shark, and I'd rule the other sharks in the sea. When I'm a grown-up shark, I'll be the fastest shark in the sea.
You sure will, baby shark. But for now, we can play together and have so much fun.
You're right, Princess Mermaid. I'm so happy I found a new friend. Have you ever met a mermaid? Oh, hey friends! Wanna know what my favorite game to play is? I love swimming around and splashing with my fin. I'll show you what I can do. Oh no! Where did my fin go?
Baby shark, where have you put it this time?
I'm not sure, Mommy, but I've got to find it so I can splash around with all my friends.
Come on then, let's go find it. Where was it last? Don't swim too fast. Check the rocks. Oh, it's just a sock. Oh, what's that, baby shark? Look over there. And under here. He's lost his fin. Baby shark's fin.
Grandma Shark, can you help me too? I've lost my fin and I'm starting to worry.
Of course, my dear. Grandma Shark is coming to the rescue. I'm Grandma Shark. And I am good at finding things. I'll find your fin. Oh, look over there. Under this shell. Well, this is swell. I found your fin. Baby shark's fin.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to splash my fin around with all of my friends. Oh yeah!
Let's go hunt like a T-Rex and learn the dinosaur dance. Are you ready? Shake your tail and snap your jaw. Swish, swish, snap, snap, snap. Stomp your feet and roar. Stomp, stomp, roar. Shake your tail and snap your jaw. Swish, swish, snap, snap, snap. Stomp your feet and roar. Stomp, stomp, roar. That's the dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. The dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. That's the dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. The dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. Jump to the left and jump to the right. Jump, jump. The T-Rex is catching dinner tonight. Run, run, run. Jump to the right and jump to the left. Jump, jump. Now let's do what we do best. That's the dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. The dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. That's the dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. The dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. Shake your tail and snap your jaw. Swish, swish, snap, snap, snap. Stomp your feet and roar. Stomp, stomp, roar. Jump to the left and jump to the right. Jump, jump. The T-Rex is catching dinner tonight. Run, run, run. That's the dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. The dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. That's the dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. The dinosaur dance. Do, 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 do. That's the dinosaur dance.
Oh, I am a dinosaur, a dinosaur, a dinosaur. Oh, I am a dinosaur, and this is what we do. The Stegosaurus has big spikes, has big spikes, has big spikes. Stegosaurus has big spikes on its back and tail.
The pterodactyl likes to fly, likes to fly, likes to fly. The pterodactyl likes to fly, swooping through the trees. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, and we like to roar. The Diplodocus likes to eat, likes to eat, likes to eat. The Diplodocus likes to eat all the green leaves. The Velociraptor has big claws, has big claws, has big claws. The Velociraptor has big claws, he snaps them all day long.
Oh, we are the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, and we like to roar. The T-Rex likes to jump his teeth, jump his teeth, jump his teeth. The T-Rex likes to jump his teeth all day long.
Triceratops, they have big horns, have big horns, have big horns. Triceratops, they have big horns. How many can you see? Two! Oh, we are the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, and we like to roar.
Hey, you! If you enjoyed this video, give us a like or share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, click the red button below to subscribe.